Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 27, 2024. Government will be exploring ways to help Jamaicans who have suffered roof damage following months of frequent rainfall. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness made the announcement during his Christmas Day message to the nation.
As I move about the country, aside from road repairs, the most frequent request I get is for assistance with housing repair, mainly roofing. While we will not be able to assist every private dwelling, we will be examining ways in which we can quickly assist those households most in need of roofing repairs.
The Prime Minister also revealed that the government would be designing and developing a program to help Jamaicans adapt to and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Jamaica and the Dominican Republic have signed a landmark air services agreement aimed at enhancing connectivity, promoting trade and tourism, bolstering security, and improving the efficiency of air transport between the two nations. The agreement was signed by Jamaica's Transport Minister Darrell Vaz and the DOMREP's Foreign Minister Roberto Alvarez. It aligns with the principles of the Convention on International Civil Aviation, also known as the Chicago Convention. The agreement includes key provisions such as overflight and landing rights, non-scheduled and multi-destination air transport, and robust safety measures to ensure compliance with international standards. In other regional air travel news, non-stop flights are now being offered from Antigua and Barbuda to Jamaica after LEAT 20 launched the service recently. The airline is now providing direct services on this route every Friday. Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston is the first in the Northern Caribbean to welcome the airline, which now serves a total of 11 destinations across the region. Chief Executive Officer of PAC Kingston Airport Limited, Sitara English Byfield, says LEAT 20 is set to play a key role in reducing travel times across the Caribbean.
This milestone is not just a testament to the strategic role Kingston Airport plays in regional aviation, but also a reflection of the growing confidence in our facilities, service, and our commitment to the region. LEAT 20, a new innovative airline dedicated to enhancing Caribbean connectivity, offering reliable service that focuses on the unique needs of travelers within the region.
215 individuals have so far been recruited for the Agricultural Wardens Program, one of the main initiatives aimed at tackling predial larceny across the island. Head of the Predial Larceny Prevention Coordination Unit, Superintendent Oral Pasco, gave the update during a recent press briefing at the Ministry of Agriculture. He confirms that 164 recruits have passed to the JCF's internal exams, which are the same as those taken by regular police officers to ensure consistent standards for all participants in the program.
The training program is supposed to be at least 12 weeks, and I can tell that is very significant of intensive training. We have oversubscribed the first 100 to start January next fiscal year. We're supposed to start in April, the first month, and then we go to July. So we're expecting about 200 persons.
Recruitment for the Agricultural Wardens Program continues, with efforts focused on St. Mary, Portland, and St. Thomas, and plans to cover the entire island. Training is set to begin in January 2025, with a goal of deploying 200 boots on the ground, in addition to police support. And finally, banks have been urged to step up their efforts to ensure reliable automated teller machine ATM services as the holiday season continues. The call comes from the Consumer Affairs Commission CAC amidst reports by the Bank of Jamaica that some financial institutions are still falling short of the 90% service standard requirement for ATM facilities.
We want to encourage our banks to ensure that the ATMs are stocked, they are serviced regularly, to ensure that consumers who we know will be out and about, and there will be a tremendous increase in circulation of cash, that our consumers will be able to easily withdraw monies so that they can facilitate their business.
The Commission's Director of Communications was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. The CAC, which is an agency within the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, is tasked with enforcing the Consumer Protection Act and facilitating ethical behavior in the marketplace between vendors and consumers. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.